Let me show you how to enable or disable adaptive frame rate on your OnePlus 15. So when you're recording video, depending on what you're recording, sometimes your OnePlus phone has that feature that allows it to change the frame rate to sort of best match whatever it is that you're recording and or the demands of whatever it is that you're recording. To stop that, simply go to the camera app, and in the camera app you want to go to camera settings. So tap on here and then select settings. Inside the camera settings, you can scroll down and find adaptive frame rate. You want to tap on that, and you can turn off adaptive frame rate by selecting off. Now, if you want to, you can enable it for 30 FPS videos, or you can enable it for both 30 FPS and 60 FPS videos. So it's going to vary the frame rate, basically adaptive frame rate, depending on whatever it is you're recording. But of course, you can turn that off from here. Thanks for watching and good luck.